Dirty or clogged air filters can have several negative consequences, especially in HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Here's why it's important to regularly clean or replace them. Reduced efficiency. 1. Airflow restrictions. When air filters are clogged with dust, dirt, and debris, they restrict the airflow. This restriction forces the HVAC system to work harder to push air through, leading to increased energy consumption and higher utility bills. 2. Strained HVAC systems. The strain caused by restricted airflow can lead to overheating in heating systems and freezing in cooling systems. This can cause significant damage and result in costly repairs or replacements. Poor indoor air quality, IAQ. 1. Allergens and pollutants. Filters are designed to trap allergens, dust, pollen, and other pollutants. When they are clogged, these particles can circulate back into the indoor air, causing allergies and respiratory issues, especially in individuals with asthma or allergies. 2. Microbial growth. A clogged filter can also become a breeding ground for mold and bacteria. These microorganisms can then be released into the air, further deteriorating indoor air quality and potentially causing health problems. Increased maintenance costs. 1. Component damage. The particles that bypass a clogged filter can settle on sensitive HVAC components like coils and fans. Over time, this accumulation can lead to damage, reducing the lifespan of the system and necessitating costly repairs or replacements. 2. Frequent repairs. HVAC systems with dirty filters often require more frequent maintenance and repairs due to the strain on the components, leading to additional expenses. Environmental impact. 1. Energy waste. A system working harder due to a dirty filter consumes more energy, contributing to higher carbon emissions and environmental pollution, especially if the energy source is non-renewable. In summary, regular inspection, cleaning, or replacement of air filters is crucial. The frequency depends on the type of filter and the environment. Some filters need replacement every month, while others can last up to 6 months. This simple maintenance task not only improves the system's efficiency but also ensures better indoor air quality and reduces overall HVAC-related costs.